Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. For the SBI PO and IBPS PO examination 2025 general awareness, what are the topics we should cover? What are the important months? ऐसे month जिनको cover full in depth करना है, जिनको आप overview लेकर जाओगे, that will be fine. So I'm going to give you complete strategy based on the topic wise numbers that okay from this particular topic last year in IBPS PO examination. This many questions came in this particular topic in SBI PO examination. This many questions came. तो पूरा एक आपको मैं structured strategy provide कर दूंगा. But for that you need to keep the patience and watch the session till end to get the complete idea to prepare parallelly for both SBI PO and IBPS PO means examination 2025. One question, is it possible, sir, to prepare for both the examination parallelly? Answer is yes. It's banking examination and current affairs, banking awareness, everything is going to be same. हाँ, RRB PO थोड़ा सा different होता है. In RRB PO examination, you get the questions, current affairs question from micro, small, medium enterprises, self-help group, joint liability group, rural schemes they ask mostly, agriculture welfare schemes they ask more about it. KCC important topic है. थोड़ा सा RRB PO different हो जाता है, but IBPS PO and SBI PO both are completely same, 100% same. One-stop solution to prepare for all these examinations together, either IBPS PO, RRB PO, SBI PO, NICL AO, all these exams you can prepare at one place. That is your Hustle 2.0 patch. Complete banking awareness, complete current affairs, complete insurance awareness you will be able to cover in this one batch. Means you are not required to switch the batch or buy the batch again and again. ये एक batch आपके लिए enough होगा to prepare for all your upcoming examinations. चलिए पहले देखते हैं examination date क्या है आपका. What is the date of examination? So 12th of October 2025, it is the date of your IBPS PO means examination. Date is important because based on the date you can decide, okay, how many months current affairs going to be very important or in-depth current affairs I need to cover. So date याद रखना 12th of October. 12th of October 2025 ये आपका डेट है किसका? IBPS PO means का. अच्छा, लास्ट ईयर आपका जो एग्जाम हुआ था IBPS PO means, that was conducted on 30th of November 2024. This was the date of examination last year. Level was medium to difficult. Actually the paper was, or GA was on the a little bit more difficult side. थोड़ा सा difficult end पर ही था. The reason was questions came from February to November 2024 and most of the candidates prepare the current affairs of last 3 months. ज्यादातर बच्चे क्या करते हैं, 3 मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स करके चले जाते हैं. And when the current affairs goes beyond 4 month, 5 month, sometimes 6 month, that is out of reach. So people feel that, sir, it was difficult, GA was difficult, GA was out of the box. So at least we should focus on the current affairs of last 5 to 6 months now. It is necessary. It is very necessary. Okay, I'll give you the complete study, don't worry. Maximum current affairs question last time came from the month of November, October, August, September, June, July. So June, July, August, September, October, November. So maximum around 65 to 70% of question paper was there from this area. Beyond that, around 30% question paper was from the month of February, March, April. वहां से भी questions आ गए थे आपके. So that was difficult. That was difficult to answer. This year exam is on 12th of October. Talking about SBI PO. SBI PO exam recently conducted. 5th of May 2025 last exam हुआ आपका. Immediately after 10 days, 15 days, we have seen the result was announced, that interview conducted, then interview result announced. Nowadays, SBI PO, those who got selected in 25, they are in a process to go for joining. अभी वो लोग joining के तरफ move कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? Almost training start हो गया है उनका, सारे लोगों का training चल रहा है. Exam level GA. So what was the level of general awareness in SBI PO means examination? It was easy actually, easy to medium, not difficult side. Reason, most of the current affairs was from January to April. So क्या हुआ, expected last 3 months, last 4 months, those who prepared, they feel like yes sir, current affairs was expected, questions were expected, more questions came from the important topic which we usually cover. इसीलिए थोड़ा SBI PO का जो last exam था उसका GA आपका easy रहा, ठीक है? Now SBI PO examination this year will be conducted in September 2025. Mostly 3rd or 4th week of September में आपका examination होगा SBI PO means का. Talking about IBPS PO, 12th of October. So 12th of October is the date for IBPS PO. Correct है? IBPS PO. And September last week will be SBI PO, very near to each other. So if you will start preparation, you will be able to find that you are preparing for both the examinations parallelly. Now, most important months to cover for the exam, most important, where you need to cover the current affairs in depth, in detail, without leaving any topic. Means you need to cover awards also, you need to cover important days also, everything, every topic, along with the important topic banking and financial news, RBI circular, RBI news. So must do जो months के आपके current affairs हैं वो है May to September. So May, June, July, August, September. These 5 month current affairs has to be in depth. ये आपका डिटेल्ड करंट अफेयर्स आपको कवर करना है, डिटेल्ड, ओके, इन डेप्थ न्यूज यू शुड कवर. आफ्टर दैट, मार्च एंड अप्रैल करंट अफेयर्स, व्हाट यू कैन डू फॉर दीज 2 months, you can focus on RBI circular or RBI news. Second topic is banking and financial news. No need to cover every topic. Banking and financial news, second topic. And third topic is government schemes. Government schemes for March and April. February, January should we cover, sir? Don't spend time on Jan and Feb. Don't read the current affairs of Jan and Feb. On the YouTube, you will be able to find, or in your paid classes, you will be able to find monthly current affairs MCQs. Monthly current affairs MCQs. Or in our smart quiz of Guidely, there you will be able to find the monthly current affairs MCQs of Jan and Feb. So January, February पर time spend नहीं करना है. Don't give more time to Jan and Feb, but don't leave it completely. At least what you can do, once or twice you can go through with the monthly MCQs. That is more than enough. So accidentally, if you will get the questions from there, you will be able to answer. Save time for Jan and Feb. That you can utilize for the month of August, September, May, June, July. So August, September, May, June, July, that current affairs you need to spend more time. Revision required multiple times. So I would suggest a better way or best way of preparation is, what you need to do is, first of all, always cover a topic from the class. Any faculty to whom you follow. If you are following me, if you are already following Hustle Batch, what you need to do? Complete the monthly current affairs. Like in Hustle Batch, what we do? Banking and financial news, monthly current affairs session is available. So watch the session. Watch the session once, then revise it once. So 2 times you need to go through with the class. Then revise the PDF of the same session at least for 3 times. If you are going through with the current affairs once or twice, you will always have a challenge कि sir exam में recall नहीं कर पाते. Sir, I read it, but I am unable to answer in the examination. You will not be able to answer in exam if you will read only once or twice. At least for 5 times, one news has to cross from your mind. Then only you will be able to answer during the examination. तो अब आपके पास एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटेजी है मंथ की कि कहां से कहां तक आपका करंट अफेयर्स होगा कवर. मई से सितंबर डिटेल में करना है, मार्च अप्रैल के इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स कवर करना है, एंड जैन एंड फेब का सिर्फ एमसीक्यूज कवर करके जाएंगे. वी विल नॉट स्पेंड मोर टाइम ऑन जैन एंड फेब. Now, if we'll talk about general awareness as a subject, it is a combination of 3 things: current affairs, banking awareness, and static GK. Where static GK questions never come randomly. That they will never ask the capital currency of any country randomly. They will never ask about the nuclear power plant of any particular nation randomly. No. It is always linked with the current affairs. So whatever the national park is in news, that may come into the examination in the form of static GK. Any bird sanctuaries in news, that may come into the examination in the form of static GK. तो static GK हमेशा current affairs से होता है. So when you read the current affairs, always keep the focus on the static part of that. वो भी आपको cover करना चाहिए. Banking awareness weightage we have seen recently increasing in the previous examination. हाल ही में पिछले कुछ एग्जाम्स में हमने देखा जो static banking awareness है ना, इसका weightage बढ़ रहा है. Like the questions from NPA topic, questions from RBI guidelines, or the questions from the basic data of RBI, like monetary policies of RBI, repo rate, reverse repo rate, CRR, SLR, MSF, वहां से क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं. पेमेंट सेटलमेंट, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, UPI, USSD, UPI 123 पे, UPI लाइट. तो ऐसे टॉपिक से आपके पास क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आ रहे हैं. बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस का वेटेज बढ़ रहा है, बट स्टिल most important area is current affairs. Around 70 to 80% of your question paper is directly from the current affairs. Maximum weightage आज भी आपका current affairs का है. But if you will observe the previous examination, current affairs is not independent nowadays. most of the current affairs is linked with the banking awareness. So questions in the examination, what you are going to see, most of the questions will be from the RBI news, SEBI news, circular issues by Reserve Bank of India, NPCI ask any guideline to be implemented. तो ये सारे न्यूज आपको मिल जाएंगे, आरबीआई, एनपीसीआई, सेबी, आईआरडीआई न्यूज, ये होगा आपका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. सेकंड है यूनियन बजट. When we are moving away from the budget, we feel like it's okay, we should not cover the budget, but at least you should go through with the MCQs of budget before the examination. कम से कम आप एग्जाम से पहले बजट के MCQs रिवाइज करके जाओ, because always we have seen in the IBPS PO, SBI PO examination 3 to 2 questions from the union budget, तो वो भी कवर करना है. Banking and financial news have very heavy weightage in the examination. Not only like if you are going for SBI PO examination, not only SBI news, apart from SBI news, they do ask the question any credit card issues by Axis Bank, any type of initiative started by IndusInd Bank, even they are private bank, but वो exam में आते हैं, we should cover that point also. Acquisition and merger, that is also a very important topic. Competition Commission of India have given the approval for the acquisition of one company by another company, वो क्वेश्चन आपसे एग्जाम में आ जाता है. Which company recently planned to acquire around 30% of stake in Yes Bank? क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा आपके एग्जाम का, बिल्कुल बैंकिंग both in IBPS PO and SBI PO examination. Then the next important point is government schemes. ये काफी important topic है, यहां से हमारे पास at least 3 to 4 marks का question paper create होता है, 3 to 4 questions. The news of national importance, international importance. India have taken initiative at the national level. Some of the summit conducted in India. India have participated in any international event. So such type of news you will always see. Appointment, easy topic, but always try to keep the appointment on the financial side more. Like they usually ask the questions related to the financial sector. If you will see the appointment, even who has been appointed as the finance commission, new chairperson of the finance commission of India, ऐसे questions आपको देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. Summit and conference, rank and indexes, state in news and other important news. So this is the most important 10 topics. ये 10 आपके most important topics हैं, out of which the topics which are highlighted, they are most important. ये आपके जो highlighted topics हैं, ये आपके ज्यादा important topics हैं, ठीक है. Now static government scheme, every year there are 2 to 3 questions which you will be directly able to see in the examination from this list, exact same to same list. प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना, सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, अटल पेंशन योजना, सीनियर सिटीजन सेविंग स्कीम, सुकन्या समृद्धि अकाउंट, किसान विकास पत्र, नेशनल सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट, महिला सम्मान सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट, पीएम किसान, फसल बीमा योजना, केसीसी, किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड, पीआईडीएफ, पेमेंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट फंड, मुद्रा स्कीम. These are that schemes for sure. At least 2 to 3 questions we get in the examination from this list. आता ही आता है. So why not to cover it properly? इस एरिया को properly cover करके जाओ आप, ठीक है. Banking and financial news में inflation data of last 5 to 6 months, GST collection of last 5 to 6 months, monetary policy update. So what you need to do? Monetary policy update of August, June and August. If you get the data, if you are writing any examination after October, then October month current affairs, October month monetary policy also you need to cover. Budget 2025, RBI circular, RBI news, banking portals. अच्छा, ये list है last year from which topic, how many questions came in the exam. Exam name is also given here. IBPS PO, SBI PO. So IBPS PO means last year when the exam was conducted in November, banking and financial news 5 question, national news 6 question, international news 2 question, state in news 3 question. Appointment का नहीं आया था. After that business news 1, award and honor 1. So you can see the majority of the area. कहां से आपके पास ज्यादा questions बन रहे हैं वो topic को पकड़ो. Government schemes है. So government schemes app and portal. Government scheme app and portal 5, banking and financial news 5, national news 5, international news 2. So the majority of the area, if you will observe, the topics which I have already told you to cover, कि जो आपके important topics है जैसे कि government schemes है, after that your banking and financial news area hai, RBI circular news area hai, that area direct 11 question from one topic, banking and financial news, 11 questions in SBI PO means. So this is the Based on this only I have given you the important list of important topics. तो important topics को आप अच्छे से cover करो. Important months मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं. Guidely bundle PDF course is available for your proper preparation and revision. When you are ready that okay now I am ready to revise, then go for the bundle PDF and revise as much as possible. Do the questions as much as possible. Okay. And you can use the coupon code Aditya my name to get the additional discount over it. मेरा नाम यूज कर लेना, आपको additional discount मिल जाएगा इस पर. That is your choice. ठीक है. Hustle 2.0 batch, one stop solution for the preparation of your banking awareness, current affairs, strategic, including insurance awareness. I know that for your IBPSP and SBIP exam you don't need insurance, but if you are preparing for NICL exam also, insurance awareness will be covered within the same batch. उसी batch में आपको insurance भी मिलेगा, आपको अलग से कोई batch purchase करने का जरूरत नहीं है. So all the best from my side guys. I hope the complete strategy in 10 to 15 minutes I was able to give you. अभी आप clear हो गए, okay how many months required, what are the important topic, list of topic. So I also want your feedback in the comment box. Comment box में आकर जरूर लिखिएगा that what was the video, how was the video, and do share with your friend. Thank you for watching this video guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best for your examinations. Take care.